Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we are going to take a small piece of paper and start folding it, hold it from its corner and start twisting it like we are doing here in this video. Put your thumb on the top of it and twist it like this. You can see this design. You can increase and decrease the length of the tissue paper according to the rose flower. After doing this, we are going to hold it from the top portion like this and we are going to start rolling it as well. So take it again from the initial point and start rolling it. Look how we are doing here in this video. Look carefully, we are going to roll it in a straight line and hold it from its bottom side and keep the ends loose. You don't have to squeeze it, and after rolling it, your rose flower is ready. Finally, you can paste it as well and look, it's done. And you can also tie it using a rubber band or thread and look, your flower is ready. In place of tissue paper, you can also take normal crepe paper or toilet paper roll as well. You can take colorful crepe paper like red and pink, and we are going to hold the paper from one side and twist it like this and start rolling it like we're doing here in this video. As you can see, we are rolling it. So we are going to fold it like this and then roll it, overlap the tissue paper like this, keep the ends loose, and we are going to roll it in a straight line like this. These type of rose flowers are perfect for home decoration or for gifting purpose as well. After making the flower, you can also put some colorful colors on the top of it and you will get this beautiful flower at the end. After rolling it, we are going to hold it from the corner like this. Look how we are spreading this red color of powder on the top of it with the help of a brush. You can try it at your home as well. Here we are going to make the flower petals first. So take a wire, and you can get these type of glitters from market and roll it around the wire like we're doing here in this video. First we are going to make the flower petals, so increase the length of the wire like this and roll the glitters on the top of it. After doing this, we are going to fold it and hold it from one corner, tie it like this, and look, it's done. Finally, we are going to take these green color of silver glitters and we are going to fold it like this and hold it from the corner as well. After doing this, tie it again and look, it's ready. Let's make the flowers. Now we are going to put all the flowers and these leaves together and look how pretty these are looking. In this video, we're going to use these ribbons and create a beautiful flower out of it. First, we are going to fold this white color of ribbon. You can take help of this card. As you can see, roll it around it and look, it's ready. This way you can exactly find the accurate length. You can take your credit card or debit card. Now we are going to fold all of them and make the flower petals. You can use the lighter and you can stick them like this. In place of this fire, you can also use hot glue gun. After doing this, we're going to put these all red and white color of petals one after another. Look how we are doing here. First, we're going to paste the red one, then white in a straight line. Now take this green color of stick and roll all of them around the stick. Put the hot glue gun like this and start folding it in a straight line. And when you fold it, you will get this beautiful two color shade. Look how pretty this two different color of rose flower is looking. Finally, you can put some glitters on the top of it. You can use this glue and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.